Apple Event Summary. In an electrifying Apple event on 7th May, Apple unveiled a suite of groundbreaking products and updates that promise to redefine our interaction with technology. From the transformative Apple Vision Pro that's making waves across industries to the powerful new iPad Pro equipped with the M4 chip, Apple's latest innovations are set to push the boundaries of what's possible. The event, marked by Apple's hallmark blend of sophisticated design and cutting-edge technology, showcased the company's relentless pursuit of excellence and its commitment to enhancing user experiences across the board. Revolutionary barely scratches the surface when describing the impact of these new offerings on everything from creative arts to healthcare, positioning Apple at the forefront of the next tech evolution. Highlights. Apple announces the biggest day for iPad since its introduction, with new iPad Air and iPad Pro models. iPad Air now comes in 11-inch and 13-inch models, featuring a redesigned display, faster M2 chip, and improved camera and audio capabilities. iPad Pro gets a stunning new design, Ultra Retina XDR display, and powerful M4 chip, making it the most advanced iPad ever. New Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro introduced for enhanced productivity and creativity. Updates to Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro for iPad offer new features and improved performance for filmmakers and music producers. Apple emphasizes the versatility and power of the iPad lineup, catering to a wide range of users and professionals. Key insights. The new iPad Air and iPad Pro models showcase Apple's commitment to innovation and pushing the boundaries of what the iPad can do. The introduction of the M2 and M4 chips in the iPad Air and iPad Pro respectively significantly boosts performance, making them powerful devices for various tasks. The Ultra Retina XDR display in the iPad Pro brings unparalleled visual quality, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional detail. The new Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil Pro enhance productivity and creativity, offering improved features and seamless integration with the iPad. Updates to Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro for iPad cater to the needs of professionals, providing advanced tools and capabilities for video editing and music production. Apple's emphasis on the versatility and power of the iPad lineup reinforces its position as a leading device for creativity, productivity, and entertainment. The affordability of the entry-level iPad and the availability of different models cater to a wide range of users, making the iPad accessible to more people. Overview. The Apple Event 2024 unveiled with much anticipation, introducing game-changing devices like the new iPad Air, iPad Pro models, and the Apple Pencil Pro, all designed to redefine the boundaries of technology, creativity, and performance. With significant upgrades such as the powerful M2 chipset, enhanced AI features, and the innovative Live Multicam feature, Apple promises to deliver unparalleled efficiency and creativity tools to users. Priced competitively, these devices not only aim to capture the imagination of tech enthusiasts but also cater to the professional needs of creators and professionals worldwide, marking a significant leap forward in Apple's technology ecosystem. Key insights. New iPad Pro models, revolutionizing the Pro experience. The 2024 Apple event introduced two new iPad Pro models, an 11-inch and a 13-inch, each designed to enhance the user experience significantly. The 13-inch iPad Pro, with its landscape orientation support, superior stereo speakers, and the M2 chipset, represents a 50% performance increase over its predecessor, positioning it as a powerhouse for professionals and creators alike. With prices starting at $999 for the 11-inch model and going up to $1,299 for the 13-inch variant, these devices are set to meet both the budget and performance requirements of a wide range of users. iPad Air updates, compact powerhouse. The new iPad Air offers advanced features previously exclusive to the iPad Pro, making top-tier technology accessible at a more affordable price. Available in 11-inch and 13-inch models powered by the M2 chip, it appeals to a broad audience, from students to professionals, enhancing productivity and creativity across the spectrum. Apple Pencil Pro, unleashing creativity. The introduction of the Apple Pencil Pro alongside the new iPad models brings advanced features tailored for artists, designers, and creators who demand precision and versatility. This tool is engineered to complement the capabilities of the new iPads, enabling users to bring their visions to life with an unmatched level of detail and control. In conclusion, Apple's 7th May event was a landmark moment that showcased the company's vision for the future of technology. Through its latest products and updates, Apple not only reaffirms its commitment to innovation but also elevates the user experience to new heights, promising an exciting future for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike.